So here's how to transfer Bitcoin from Binance to Trust Wallet. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to open your Trust Wallet account. After that, here you have to click on the wallet icon at the bottom left corner. Now here you will be able to view all of the currency that's available to you. Here you have to simply select the currency to which you want to transfer. As I want to transfer the BNB, so I selected it. After selecting the currency, now I clicked on the receive option. After clicking onto this receive option, now it will give me this code. Here I have to copy this code. Once I copied the code, now I will go back to my apps library, and now here I'm gonna search for the Binance. Then I will open the Binance app. From here I'm gonna simply click on the send option or send icon. Once I clicked on the send icon, now here I'm gonna select the currency that I want to transfer. As I already have selected the BNB at my Trust Wallet, so I select this. After selecting the currency, now I'm gonna click on the withdraw option. Here you also have to select your channel. Moving on to the next step, here at this page you have to simply paste the address that you have copied from your Trust Wallet account. Now select the amount that you want to transfer. I kept it to entire. Before the transaction, it will ask you to enter your key. You have to simply click on OK, and then you have to enter the key. Now you have to hit on the withdraw option to make the transfer. So that's how to transfer Bitcoins from Binance to Trust Wallet.